So now we are going to start case study question number 22, and this case study question is based on the life process chapter. Okay, so during inhalation the diaphragm is contracted, which increases the volume of the lungs cavity. During exhalation the diaphragm is relaxed, which decreases the volume of the lung cavity. The given graph is related to the changes in the volume of lungs of a person at rest over a period of 20 seconds. So 1 से लेकर 20 सेकंड तक. ठीक है. Now based on this graph some questions are framed. So let us start with the first question. How many breaths per minute is the person taking when at rest? So see the graph. From the graph, the person is taking how many breaths? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 breaths in how many seconds? 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
So 1 मिनट में कितना होगा? 5 breaths in 20 seconds. So 1 minute में कितना होगा? 1 minute means 60 seconds. You have to multiply with 3. So what is the correct answer? एक मिनट है ना, इसको हम लोग 10 कर लेते हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस वन क्योंकि दोनों सेम हो गया. सो इसको 10 कर लेते हैं. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 15. So it is clear from the given graph that person is taking 5 breaths per 20 second. So in 1 minute, that is 60 second, he will take 15 breaths. That is 5 by 20 into 60, or you can multiply directly with 3. Now the second question, which 2 points in the graph C, D, E or F? See the diagram. This is C, this point is D, and this point is E, and this point is F. Shows inspiration and expiration. Point D में क्या हो रहा है? Increase in the volume. Increase in the volume of lungs. So thus at this point inspiration is taking place. While what happened at point F? Point F में क्या हो रहा है? Volume
Expiration is taking place.
volume of lungs decrease हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे expiration आ रहा है. Okay. So correct answer is D, F, right? So point D shows increase in the volume of lungs. Thus at this point inspiration is taking place, while point F shows decrease in the volume of lungs. Thus this point expiration is taking place. So the correct option is B bit. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 3. Which of the following muscles help during inhalation? First, external intercostal muscle, external intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles, both A and B, and none of this. Actually, external and internal intercostal muscles are specialized set of muscles that help during inhalation, both. So the correct option is C bit, right? Now the next question, during vigorous exercise, the rate of breathing of normal man is 20 to 25 times per minute, 50 to 90 times per minute, 100 to 150 times per minute, 40 to 70 times per minute. So actually rate of breathing बढ़ता है कि कम होता है? जब बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो बढ़ता है. So rate of breathing increases during vigorous exercise. This is because the body needs more energy. Body needs more energy which can be released only if a greater amount of oxygen reach the cells. For this purpose, the rate of breathing increases. This will increase the supply of oxygen to the all cells. Okay. So the correct answer is 20 to 25 times per minute. Okay, so now we'll move towards the next question. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? सबसे पहले inhalation कहाँ से start होता है? Nostril से start होता है, right? Nostril के बाद कहाँ पे जाएगा वो? Which is the correct one?
Option D.
D.
Option D. Right. Last में यहाँ पर आता है alveoli में, right? So nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, alveoli. So the correct answer is D bit. And this is the last question of this case study question. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one, right? So thank you.